We're going fishing. Salmon fishing in Bamfield, British Columbia. Watch as my friend Michael shows me how it's done. Next on the HogTide Rising channel. Welcome to the HogTide Rising channel, an insight into nomadic van life, seen through the eyes of a long-time touring motorcyclist. Well, good day there, HogTide Risers and fellow van lifers. Here I am in beautiful Bamfield, British Columbia. I'm on my friend Michael Mooney's boat. We're getting ready to leave Bamfield, leave the dock, who you can sort of see behind us. So we're heading out to do a little salmon fishing today. So hopefully we have some good luck. Hopefully we run into a good run of salmon, and we'll be documenting it for your viewing pleasure as we proceed on. So right now I'm just going to turn the camera around and give you some of the views of this beautiful harbor area. How's the weather looking for us, Michael?
Rain.
Rain? That's okay though, we're going fishing. There's nothing wrong with a little rain when you're fishing.
Yep, the tide going better. We should have okay fishing early season.
Ah, good. Well, the fish are already wet, so I guess it doesn't matter if we get a little wet. It's going to be a great day on the water. Absolutely. It's just an excuse to get out on the water.
Oh yeah. Same strategy than yesterday. Fishing lines, fishing poles, everything's all set up. We are fishing. Well, we just had a minor setback here on our day of fishing. Snagged something on the bottom, pinnacle or a little reef, and it cost Michael a cannonball. And $60 a pop for these pieces of lead. That's not something you want to do very often. So we're in the process now of replacing the cannonball and getting the rod on the port side of the boat back in commission. So that's our spare cannonball sitting on the deck there, waiting to be deployed into action. So what it is a lead weight, and it weighs about 15 pounds. So the way this all works is you attach the cannonball to the line from the downrigger. And then you deploy your line down to the depth that you want to be trolling at. And once you've established that depth, you set that on your downrigger, and then you attach the line from the fishing rod and reel to the downrigger line with a clip. And then what you're fishing with is a flasher, which is a lure, and the hook. And then this whole system, that allows you to get your flasher and hook down at the depth where the fish are, rather than just trolling along the surface of the water. So that's how it works. So I'm going to now show you a shot of the downrigger. And there you go. Now that's the downrigger, and you can see the fishing pole in the holder, and that's the way it works. That's how it's all set up to allow us to troll nicely out here in the beautiful somewhat misty Pacific. We'll try to catch ourselves some of that good salmon that this area is known for. Looking out over beautiful Bamfield Inlet, I reflect on my fishing adventure. I reeled in 2 salmon big enough to keep, and I caught several catch and release. I can't wait for my next opportunity to go fishing.